When we load the app with CardPointers, what do we see on the home screen?
You've got your For You section right at the top, and that's the actionable stuff. Things like, hey, your annual fee is coming up, or you haven't used this credit yet, or this offer expires tomorrow. And then below that, you've got your main tabs. So the pointers shows you the best card for any category. So offers, and then of course we have the offers tab, but categories are things like dining or gas. So you might not know which credit card, for example, has the most multipliers on gas or on dining, and it's going to show you that right there. And then, of course, we have the offers tab. So we talked about that kind of in two different ways. So there's, of course, the earning multipliers, right? We want to make sure that we're using the right card that has the right earning multiplier every time, because using 1x on a card that might get 4x is real. Those are real points. And then, of course, we have the offers, right? And offers are bank offers that are either cash back or extra points. And you want to make sure you're taking advantage of both. So right there on the main screen, you can see both. The offers, of course, is where you manage all your card linked deals. And then the cards section. So we've got pointers, offers, and then cards. And cards shows you all your cards in there and all of their details. So everything's designed so you're not hunting through menus. You get what you need in 5 seconds. And the home screen is really designed to feel like a quick status check. You'll see the cards, your offers, and any credits that are coming up soon. And I love it because at a glance, I can see if I need to use a dining credit this week or book a flight with my travel credit before the month ends. And it takes what used to be sticky notes or reminders in my phone or screenshots and half-remembered perks, and it just lays it all out really clearly. Did I ever tell you the story about my airline credit?
Oh, with the American Express airline incidental credit?
Yes. So I believe it was $200. Is that right? Is it still $200?
$200. Some of them are more of like quarterly, but some of them are based on the calendar year.
Yeah. So this one was a yearly $200. So if you're listening to this, drop in the comments how you use your $200 airline credit. So my story is we'd gotten to the end of the year and we hadn't used our airline credit. It was for American Airlines. I don't know why we hadn't used it. We just hadn't. I don't know if it was just that we hadn't flown on American Airlines. Anyway, so my husband is flying. I think it was on December 30th. And I'm like, hey, listen, I really need you to use this $200 credit. So I'm thinking, okay, just walk up to somebody that's checking their bags and give them a Christmas present of offering to pay their bags or something else. So my husband, being who my husband is, decided that he would spend that $200 credit by offering to buy every single person on the plane who wanted one a beer. And so,
it's the booze flight.
but that was a lot more than $200. But at that point, my husband didn't care. He was handing out free beers left and right. So if you were on that flight home from Charlotte on December 30th from Charlotte to Denver, you got a free beer courtesy of American Express.